Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to the Law Vlog, episode 16. And this week's episode of the vlog, we will be discussing litigation, medical negligence litigation, and indeed a specific part of medical negligence being birth injuries to mother. We have taken on a large amount of cases over the past number of years involving mothers who suffered quite severe injuries during the course of the labour. The mother can suffer a type of tear, and these tears are graded 1 to 4. Generally grade 1 and 2 tear is not considered negligent, but a grade 3 or grade 4 tear would be in most cases considered a negligent act, and it's these type of cases where we have taken instruction and proceeded to take actions against the hospital or the HSE. The first step in taking a case like this is to meet with a solicitor and have a proper attendance and record of the meeting, and also give a history of events. There's also strict timelines involved to take these cases, which, like most birth injury cases, it's actually 2 years from the date of injury. Once you have met with your solicitor and they have decided you have what's called a statable case and will take your case on, they will then do a number of actions to start the case. Number one, they'll obviously send you a letter known as a Section 150 setting out the cost of the case and how the solicitor will be paid upon the successful conclusion of the case. Secondly, they will write to our hospitals and doctors that the mother saw during the care. They will request you as the mother, or request the mother to sign authorities releasing all the medical records, files, x-rays, any medical information that the hospital or any GP or doctor or physiotherapist that might have dealt with you during the course of the pregnancy or afterwards, during your care or after care, and all the medical records will come back then to the solicitor. Once these records are received, it could take 3 to 6 months to take up these records from the hospitals. You then must instruct a medical expert, an independent medical expert, to review the records and give an opinion on whether a negligence or negligent act did occur in the care you received. This independent medical expert is very important. All doctors in Ireland are members of the Irish Medical Council, and they generally will not give evidence against each other. So we must go to the UK to find, first of all, a suitable independent medical expert. That's an expert in the type of field, the type of medicine that we require to report. We will also find out the terms and conditions, the timelines to take up the report, and if we're all satisfied and happy, we would then send the medical records to the expert to have their opinion and their report on whether a negligence. If the report is positive in saying that a medical negligence reduction in the standard of care was received by the mother during the course of the labour and caused the injuries, whether it's a grade 3 or grade 4 tear, to the mother, we will then send the file to a barrister who will draft the civil summons. Most of these cases are in the High Court, so it would be a junior counsel and senior counsel would be involved in the case. We'd also then send the usual initial letters to the hospital or medical care attendant advising them our intention to take legal action of what we say was negligent. Once this part of the process is completed and we've then issued and have our summons stamped and served in the hospital, if you look at my vlog, I think number 13, I go through the steps involved in actually how you take a legal action through the court process in Ireland. So that's the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. That's just a brief synopsis of what's involved in taking a medical negligence case, in particular a medical negligence case related to birth injuries and birth injuries to mother. I will do another vlog later down the line relating to birth injuries to baby that may occur. We actually have an ebook which gives some more information on medical negligence and birth injuries to mothers. I will put the link to the ebook here. Thank you so much again for watching, and have a great week.